Introducing the Arc Pro Series 300. VETUS announces most powerful BOWB Pro thrusters. VETUS is adding the highest output thrusters yet to its expanding lineup of advanced BOWB Pro units with the launch of the BOWB Pro Boosted 300 series. The new BOWB285, BOWB300 and BOWB320 thrusters are VETUS's most powerful BOWB Pro thrusters and the first BOWB Pro units in the 300 mm tunnel range. Suitable for boats up to 30 m, approximately 100 feet, the latest models enable more boat owners to experience the innovative DC-to-DC charging technology, exceptionally quiet operation, precision proportional control and long run time of the unique BOWB Pro Boosted BOWB range. Skippers and crew using the new VETUS units can be confident they can extensively use their thruster system when docking or maneuvering without the fear of overuse or overheating issues which can affect conventional thrusters. Combining the efficiency of the VETUS proprietary motor controller with the latest maintenance-free brushless motors, the 17.5 to 18.7 kilowatts boosted 300 series provide power outputs of 285 kgf, 300 kgf and 320 kgf, alongside the benefits of 48V compatibility in the added boost function. The latest BOWB Pro Boosted models charge the bow thrusters batteries using VETUS's renowned internal 3-stage charging process. This solution enables connection to a 24V power supply to recharge the 48V battery bank to keep the thruster batteries at their optimum level. Ahoy, fellow seafarers! Embark on a journey of unparalleled yachting experiences with SeaLandSolution, your one-stop destination for exceptional yacht repair, maintenance, and the latest marine technology. Today, we set sail towards the innovative BOWB Pro 300 series, a revolutionary thruster system that will transform your boating adventures. Imagine navigating the vast expanse of the ocean, your yacht slicing through the waves with effortless grace. The BOWB Pro 300 series is the key to unlocking this seamless control and maneuverability. At SeaLandSolution, we understand the intricate needs of your yacht. Our team of highly trained technicians possesses an unwavering commitment to excellence, ensuring that your vessel receives the finest care and attention to detail. Experience the SeaLandSolution difference. We don't just repair your yacht, we elevate it to new heights of performance and sophistication. Witness the transformation as your vessel regains its former glory and embarks on countless unforgettable journeys. Don't let your yacht's potential lie dormant. Visit our online store today and discover the transformative power of the BOWB Pro 300 series. Let SeaLandSolution be your trusted guide as you embark on extraordinary yachting adventures. With SeaLandSolution, your yachting journey is just beginning.